Hey guys, we're now in Locorotondo. We just passed by a gelateria, and of course, if you're in Italy, it's a must. You should try their gelato. Happy Easter!
Più che altro è la curiosità di sapere la tradizione. Noi infatti mo l'abbiamo vista, quindi ho detto dobbiamo vedere perché eravamo curiosi.
Locorotondo is officially listed among I Borghi Più Belli d'Italia, the association of Italy's most beautiful villages. Walking through these whitewashed streets, it's easy to understand why. Every alley seems to lead to another postcard view, decorated with flowers, balconies, and centuries-old limestone houses. Tucked away among Locorotondo's narrow streets is the Church of Saint Nicholas of Myra, one of the town's hidden treasures. Built in the 17th century, its modest exterior reveals little of what lies inside. Step through the door and you'll find beautifully restored frescoes covering the vaulted ceiling, depicting scenes from the life of Saint Nicholas and reminding visitors of the town's long religious heritage. Standing at the heart of the old town is the Mother Church of St. George, Locorotondo's most important church. Built between 1790 and 1825 in elegant neoclassical style, it replaced an older medieval church dedicated to the town's patron saint. Its imposing facade has become one of the defining landmarks of Locorotondo. One detail that makes Locorotondo unique is its traditional cummerse houses. Their steep limestone roofs are found almost nowhere else in Italy and were designed to shed rainwater efficiently. Together with the white facades, they give the village its distinctive and timeless appearance. The name Locorotondo literally means round place, a reference that the almost perfectly circular layout of its historic center. Perched on a hill overlooking the Itria Valley, the village has been recognized as one of Italy's most beautiful for its unique architecture, peaceful atmosphere, and remarkably well-preserved old town. Although Locorotondo sits more than 400 meters above sea level, locals affectionately call this promenade the lungomare, the seafront.
Even here in Locorotondo, guys, you'll see some of those truly houses. Like there, for example. You'll see it there.
There's no sea here, only sweeping views across the Itria Valley, where vineyards, olive groves, and the iconic Truly houses create one of Puglia's most recognizable landscapes. At the end of this narrow street stands Locorotondo's clock tower, built in 1819 beside the former town hall. It has quietly marked the passing of time for more than 2 centuries. Today, the building houses the town's library and historical archive, preserving the story of one of Puglia's most beautiful villages. During Holy Week, mysterious figures dressed in black appear suspended above Locorotondo's streets, the Quarantana, an ancient Puglian tradition symbolizing the 40 days of Lent. When Easter arrives, the figures are removed, marking the end of fasting and the beginning of celebration.
But it's very normal.
Yeah. There's a lot of beautiful corners here.